Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss how to develop the Java project using Eclipse IDE. There are various IDE in order to develop the Java project. Among the various IDE, one of the IDE is Java Eclipse. So in order to download the Eclipse software, let us Google it, the word Eclipse. We will get into the official website, that is eclipse.org. So in that eclipse.org you can get into the downloads, and then you can download any of the version which is suitable for you. If it is a 32-bit architecture system, you can download the version that supports 32-bit. If it is a 64-bit architecture system, then you can download the software that is suitable for 64-bit architecture. Or else you can download any of the latest version of the Eclipse that is available. When you press download, the original software will be downloaded, and then the folder, you have to extract the folder. After extracting the folder, you have to open the folder named as Eclipse. So in that there will be the blue icon. So near to blue icon there is a word Eclipse. When you double click it, the software will be launched. So it will ask for the workspace. Okay, launch it. And then by launching, it will ask for the JDK download. If the JDK is already downloaded in your system, then it is no problem. Or else it is mandatory to download the JDK, that is Java Development Kit, for your Eclipse execution. So let us maximize it, and then let us get into the first project. So let us get into file, and then from the file you have to choose new. From new we can choose Java project. So for that we will give the project name. Let us give the project name as my first project. Let us give the name like this, and clicking on the consecutive next. So there is no need to create the create module info.java file. Let us uncheck it and let us give finish. It is now in that window. This is called as Project Explorer window or Package Explorer window. Here the package named as my first project is here. When you click this arrow, you will get the source. This is the SRC package. That is, this is your JRE system library, and then the SRC, this will be open. And then now we have to give file, new, and then new class. So let us give our class name, that is main class name, as sample. So if you want to make this class as a main class, then you can check it. That is, you can click the checkbox which contain public static void main string args. Now you can give finish. Yes, the sample.java class file is getting ready. This is your class name, public class sample, which is available under this SRC package. Normally all the created class will come under the package, default package, and then we have checked it as public static void main. This is the main class, so that public static void main is created automatically. Now let us give the very simple and sample welcome program system dot out. Yes, you can choose it. A dot parent. As let us give some message as a welcome to my first project. This is what we normally do. This is the traditional way of creating the first program in any of the language or any of the package. So now let us execute this project. For that, let us get into a run, and we can give run directly itself. That is, there is no more problem. Or else we can build it and then we can give execution. So let us give the run directly. So it will compile and run. You no need to explicitly compile and explicitly run your project. By clicking the run, your project will be compiled and executed. That is, it will be compiled with the help of Java C compiler and it will be executed with the help of Java interpreter, as we have already seen in the Java introduction. Let us give OK. Now our project is executing and the output is executed as welcome to my first project. So this is what the easiest way in order to develop the Java project using the IDE Eclipse. So in the forthcoming classes, we will discuss how to develop some bigger project, that is bigger Java project using the same Eclipse IDE. So thank you.